Chapter 2. Change the way you think about your animal friend. If we want to communicate telepathically with our pets, the first thing we need to do is change our attitude towards our pets. We have been conditioned to think that animals are an inferior species to humans. We believe they can't think, feel, or communicate like humans do. This attitude blocks their willingness to communicate with us and our receptiveness in receiving their communication. Respect them. Treat them as you would treat a human. Consider that they may look different physically, but spiritually, they are the same as us. Continue to work on your attitude and stop treating them as inferior to you. Treat them not as physical beings, but as spiritual ones. Watch them and ask yourself, what spiritual qualities does he or she have? Focus on their qualities. Focus and admire their sincerity, devotion, appreciation, loyalty, joy, and kindness. Let your animals teach you. Listen to them. Let your mind be quiet and alert, because if you have millions of thoughts running in your head, you won't be able to listen to the one voice you want. That is, the voice of your animal friend. As you continue to do this, your animals will trust, love, and respect you more. They will be willing to express themselves to you. This way, your relationship will increase in maturity and depth.